As temperatures drop, local organizations are working to move those without shelter indoors. WDRB's Katrina Nichols spoke with shelters in Louisville about the plans to battle the weather and the pandemic.
Wayside Christian Mission is one of those 2 overnight white flag shelters in Louisville, which means when temperatures dip down to below freezing, they'll welcome anybody into the shelter despite the number of open beds.
The other shelter that takes part in Operation White Flag is St. Vincent de Paul. Salvation Army used to be an overnight white flag shelter, but has now converted that space into a daytime shelter. From there, the shelter works to transition people into their 24/7 shelter and offer other resources. Wayside is expecting many people to take advantage of having a warm place to sleep, but COVID-19 concerns are on the shelter's radar.
I think the most immediate threat when it gets down to the 20s is definitely going to be freezing to death outside. And if they don't have a mask, we'll provide them with a mask when they come into the shelter. But we do everything we can to keep people safe. Our interest is their health and their welfare, and so we do everything we can. It's very important.
Wayside is asking people to contact them if they are concerned about someone spending the night outside. Outreach coordinators will be sent out to help and offer resources.
Wayside says it is expecting around 600 people to be under its roof tonight. In downtown Louisville, Katrina Nichols, WDRB News.